Quick review of the Hoover Max Life Pro Pet Swivel. It's a vacuum. We just got it a couple weeks ago for my job at a gym, and the reason I'm doing this review is this thing is really good. This is probably the best vacuum I've seen yet. It sucks up everything. It's bagless, so it's easy to use. It's very well made. I would recommend this thing to basically anyone, home, business, doesn't matter. This is put together way better than some of the other vacuums that we've had.